Today I came back to find some sea creatures in the rock pools, and one of the first animals I found was this beautiful octopus that was gliding across the sand. You can see how he changes his color to match the color of the sand. He then swam across the rocks to try to find a place to hide, and as he was doing that he changed the color and texture of his skin to try to camouflage. At the end he managed to find a place to hide under these stairs. In some shallow water I found this beautiful sea star, and you can see its tentacles moving around. I made sure to put it back where it was, and I filmed this awesome time-lapse of it moving around. And in some sand I found this awesome nudie branch, and I made sure to put it back exactly where I found it. I also found a strange spongy thing attached to a rock, and towards the end I saw this sea slug. Please like and follow for more.